Welcome to another edition of Data Spaces. My name is Gareth. Today, I'm excited to launch my first Fine Tuned GPT model to support ad hoc data analysis. Yes, data. So what is this product? What does it do? It's called AI Data Explorer, and it is a conversational reporting interface that can fetch and analyze data to support your analysis and decision-making needs. It connects with Google Analytics 4, Google Search Console, and Google Ads, all through the GA4 API. So I've actually gone ahead and already pre-authenticated my Google Analytics account with prototypr.ai, which is where this app lives. And so I'm interested in actually doing some analysis about my app, prototypr.ai. So let's ask it some questions. So I have a question about traffic that's coming to the sign-up page. So I'm curious about this. So in the past 30 days, I've had about 167 users, which is great. I'd like to call your attention to this little three dots up here. So when you click on this, what it does is it'll pull up the API query that was used to fetch that data. So I want you to feel confident when you're doing analysis and you're talking with your data on Prototyper that you have access to the underlying query for each of these queries that you're chatting with Google about. So here you can see that it got the 30 days ago. The page path exactly matches /signup, and we also have active users. So that was what I requested, and it shows up right there. So let's try and build on this a little bit. We'll see if we can trend out now our data by date. So it usually takes a couple seconds to do these kind of queries. I'm working on making it a little bit faster. Fine-tuning these AI models is pretty awesome. Okay, here we go. Looks pretty good. This data has been all kind of trended out. Looks like traffic to the sign-up page is growing, which is great. I'm going to ask it another question because obviously I'm interested to understand the conversion rates on this page. So maybe I'll say something like, what is the user sign-up conversion rate where the page equals /signup. Can you pull this data over the past 30 days by date, please? Okay, so it looks like it's generated a query. Now it's analyzing the data. Hopefully this won't take too much longer, but this should be pretty interesting. So we'll see. Okay, great. This is looking pretty interesting. We can see our user conversion rates are probably hovering maybe around 30% or so. Just kind of eyeballing it, but we have a couple days where we don't have any conversions, which is okay. Still a new app. One of the cool things that we can do is we can create a new chart. Can you create a new chart which shows the conversion rate as a line graph and traffic as a bar chart? Make sure that each metric is on its own axis. Thanks. All right, here we go. So we're going to see if we can create a new chart to combine these two and see if we can change up the visualization a little bit to make it a little bit easier for us to look at this data together. Okay, perfect. That looks pretty good. The colors probably could be improved, but for demonstration purposes, this is pretty good. You can also just ask the model to change those colors. I would probably change the conversion rate maybe to black would be good. Perfect. So this is looking really good. So I'm also just kind of curious about traffic to this page by device. So maybe just kind of curious to see what that looks like. Can you please show me traffic to the /signup page broken down by device category. And so now what we'll do is we'll just say something like same time frame as the other charts, and we'll see what happens. So so now we're going to see what devices are coming to that sign-up page. This will be interesting. All right, perfect. This looks pretty good. It looks like we have a little bit more desktop users, quite a bit of mobile traffic, so that's kind of interesting. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Can you create a new chart that is a donut chart for the device traffic? And let me just see what that looks like. So you can like kind of change up visualizations any sort of which way, and the model should be able to adjust and hopefully build us a new chart. All right, perfect. That's looking really, really good. Okay, so lots of really cool things that you can do on AI Data Explorer. So I've just done a really quick little bit of analysis. You could also actually ask it to summarize this session, but for the sake of this time, I'm going to stop here. I could be asking questions all day about my data and chatting with GPT about it. So I'm really excited about this new product. Would love to get your feedback on it. If you'd like to try it out, please sign up at prototypr.ai, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks so much. Have a good day.